Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. We are heading into winter, and I'll be honest with you, I do not do well in the cold at all, but this trapper hat from CLAPE has been a total game changer for me. Believe it or not, I have never owned a trapper hat and I didn't know what I was missing out on. This really does make a difference in keeping me warm. I like the double snap enclosure because it keeps the wind out. The fur on this hat is so cute and it really provides a lot of warmth, and it's very soft and comfortable against your skin. I also love this design. It comes in different colors. I chose the black, and then you've got the color block design on the side. It's very simple but adds a little bit of style. I really wanted something that looked nice, not just with casual coats, but with dressier ones as well. And I think this is very versatile. I get lots of compliments when I wear it, which makes me feel good. I love it because it keeps me warm and it looks cute. So it's a double win for me. And that's my point of view.